hear me with the wind. We are at Lighthouse Bagels, our favorite bagel shop. They have sriracha everything bagels, which are life. They're so good. What are you getting?
I'm getting a French toast bagel with strawberry cream cheese.
And Sebastian does not know what he's getting, except that it's going to have bacon and eggs. My husband's going to surprise him, but we are not going in. It's just like a line that goes through and you order. Normally we would go through, but I'm going to safely stay out here. I don't know if we're doing anything else in Kerala. It's about a 20-minute drive from where we're staying in Duck. But yeah, it's a gorgeous day. We are hoping to go to the beach, but it's supposed to be windy, so we have to check out if the sand would sting us too much. There'll be other lovely days, so if it's too windy, we'll do the beach on another day. But we can definitely enjoy the pool and this beautiful hot sun.
Yeah, I love the pool.
Hello everyone, it is hot and gorgeous. I think the high today, excuse me, is supposed to be 77. It feels a lot hotter here though. Right now it is 75 and so sparkling sunny. Look at this. Gorgeous, not a cloud. So we are going to go to the beach, right? What are you going to do at the beach? You're going to point at people? You're gonna point at the phone. You're gonna dig with these shovels. Is that it? That's it.
I'm going to make a
big hole. Okay, as long as you fill it in afterwards. What are you gonna do at the beach?
I'm gonna sunbathe and even build sandcastles.
I do not sunbathe. That doesn't happen. Yeah. Looking forward to some ocean. Hopefully it's not too windy so we're not getting stung by the sand, but we've got umbrellas and a tent and stuff, so we're good to go for a few hours.
I'm just gonna be chilling.
washed the ends of my hair and put on my clothes. Hanging with the pigs. Jax is inside. He had to go potty, but he wanted to come home and use the pool, so I'm here to chaperone him. We carried a bunch of the stuff back from the beach. We actually drove down, even though it's a 2-minute drive. They have parking, which makes it easier to carry a tent and an umbrella and 4 chairs and bags of toys and towels. So we brought a lot of that back. They've got 3 chairs, the tent and the umbrella, and their cooler left to lug to the car. Sebastian wanted to stay, though apparently 5 minutes after we left he changed his mind, but it's a little too late, so we were already here. Anyway, I have my knitting. I am working on a sweater for myself that I started in June and hadn't worked on since our June trip. So I'm hoping to finish the rows this week. Then I'll be down to black and gray. Like, it's a gray sweater and it has a black yoke with red rose and gray leaves. So I want to finish at least the purple rose, and it'd be nice to have it done before their car ride back, and then I can finish the gray and black portion and then just have straight gray when we're at home. I am still working on Jax's sweater, but it was too bulky to bring. This is nice fingering weight yarn. Hello. So he's gonna go in the pool and I'm gonna watch him. I don't know how long everybody else is gonna stay at the beach, but they're gonna make use of that grill. They're gonna make a whole bunch of steak, and I'm gonna cook up some tofu tonight.
We're gonna have some delicious tofu.
He's not my steak eater. Sebastian is. Yeah, I'm about to clean the pool because there's a bunch of leaves in it, but yeah. I just stuck my finger up my nose. Everyone, we are getting ready for bed. This guy is not being a good boy right now. He should have gone to bed a half an hour ago. Daddy let him stay up and watch shows, and now he won't listen. Can you please go brush your teeth? Can you please go brush your teeth instead of kicking me? Anyway, today was a nice sunny, hot day, and we did the beach. That was so nice. And we also got to drive out to our favorite bagel shop. I had a sriracha everything with egg and avocado, and my boys gave me the last one. There was a bunch when they were in line. When they got up there was only one left, and they let me have it. They're so sweet. So we ate our bagels and headed back to the house. We let Ziggy out of his crate and hung out with him for a little bit, and then we packed up the car and headed to the beach. What's your problem? Hi, thanks for the hug. Go brush your teeth. Show everybody you know how to do it. I'll stand like this so they can watch. Go. Alright, no videos tonight.
No.
No videos. Leave it open, babe. I need to see if you fall.
See what?
If you fall, I need to be able to see so I can help you.
If I fall off.
Off of that, yes. Do you need to pee? You did just chug 2 glasses of water.
Yeah. I can do that.
Anyway, the beach was nice. Jax has had a bad attitude all day, so that was not nice. Sebastian has kind of been a butthole and hitting a lot today, so that's not nice.
Kidding?
You've been hitting today.
No.
Anytime you're frustrated with your brother, you hit him. And he's also, you're not listening. Why are you not brushing your teeth? I'm gonna tell Daddy he can't let you watch shows tomorrow because you're not listening.
No.
Anyway,
No.
I headed back with Jax a little bit before everybody else.
No.
Okay, then show me you can listen. Quick, show me you can listen. Do you want me to do it? If you don't do it in 10 seconds, I will.
No.
He wanted to go in the pool, so I carried as much as I could back. I didn't have the car key to put it in the back. We carried it all the way back, but it's not that far. It's just a 5-minute walk. And then he and I both showered off. He put on non-sandy swim clothes and got in the pool. I cleaned the pool. And then everybody got back. So Sebastian wanted to go in the pool too. Ron watched him and Jax in the pool while I walked to Ziggy and then made tofu. My husband cooked potatoes and corn and steak. And we had a lovely dinner in the house, our treats, and Sebastian had the shows that he shouldn't have had because now he's being a mean boy. So I'm gonna go deal with him and get him to brush his teeth and go to bed, and we will see you tomorrow. So thanks for coming along on this journey today, and stay safe. Don't forget, wash your hands.